All right, negative exponents. Let's take a look at how to do this. There are several options. That's one of the things that makes this confusing, is that there are different ways that you can do this and still get the same answer and the right answer. So I'm going to start by multiplying 3 times 3, and I get 9. And now I'm going to kind of go through, and I want to make sure that all of my exponents are positive exponents. It even says that up here. Your answer should only contain positive exponents. So m to the third is just fine. It's m cubed. It's positive, all as well. N to the negative 4 needs to go into the denominator. So n to the negative 4, when we move it to the denominator, it's now positive. That's what we're looking for, positive exponents. All right, the 3's we already multiplied. Now we've got an m to the negative 2, so we're going to move that to the bottom. It becomes positive. Let me extend this line. And n to the negative 4, it's going to move to the bottom, into the positive 4. Remember, when you move an exponent from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top, if it started out negative, it becomes positive. So that's how you do that. Okay. So now we're back to just like a quotient problem. And I say just, it's not like that's simple, but at this point, we've got our 9. And we've got these m's, m cubed over m squared. So there's 2 ways to do this. One is that you can subtract the exponents. 3 minus 2, m to the first, which is just m. So that would go here. The other way is to think, well, this is m times m over m times m. And then those would cancel and those would cancel. And I'm left with just an m, which is what I have. Okay, so either way works. The way that whatever makes more sense to your brain is really what I would encourage you to do. Okay, so we took care of the m's. Now we have n to the 4th times n to the 4th. And remember, when you're multiplying with exponents, you write the base down and you add those exponents. 4 plus 4 is 8. And that is the answer. That is the most simplified version of this problem. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.